Welcome to Zyka. This is Roshan, your chef for the day. What am I cooking today? Makhana paneer gravy item. Makhana? Yes, makhana is a widely used food in Mithilanchal, part of Bihar. Makhana is also used as a healthy snack. It is used in fried gravy items. Today we will be mixing that along with paneer and capsicum to make makhana paneer gravy item. So what is makhana else known as? It's also known as lotus seeds or foxnuts. It is a rich source of calcium and has been widely used as a health snack. So what are the ingredients required? We are using paneer around 400 grams, makhana, spices, that is turmeric, cumin, coriander, meat masala, mirch, salt, cream. This is capsicum, bell pepper, finely chopped onions. This is kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste, kaju mixed in a mixer, and this is also paneer. Again, I have taken 3 tomatoes and mixed in a mixer. Makhana. We will be taking 2 tablespoons of ghee and on mild temperature we will be then putting them and roasting them for around 5 minutes. So as you can see, you can also use vegetable oil instead of ghee, but I prefer ghee because of the taste that it gives. This has to be roasted till it goes golden brown. I will be now showing you some of the, once it is finished, I will be showing you how it looks like. So this is how the makhana will look like once it is fried. Now we will try to go ahead and make paneer. Paneer normally is used in the dry form and it is added after the gravy is made. Not here. What we will be doing is we will be frying it, shallow frying it in oil. I will just be taking, I am preparing the oil and will take you through how the paneer looks after it has been fried. You can see there is a tinge of golden color in this. Now in the remaining oil what we have done is we have put the finely chopped onions to fry. We have also put the red chilies and bay leaves in the same. We will be frying it on medium temperature for till they are golden brown again, and then we will be adding to it the ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic paste has to be added and it has to be fried till the time it is the smell of ginger garlic goes away. Now we will add to it the tomato that we had already grinded, salt, you can put salt to your taste, and bit of turmeric, and we have to fry till it leaves water. Now you can see that it has started leaving oil, and I like chili. I like my food to be spicy, so I am adding lots of chili powder. You can add it as per your taste. Then there's coriander powder. Mix it a bit. Cumin powder. Everest ka garam masala and Everest ka meat masala. You have to fry it till the time it goes brown, and then we will add, because you see that it is getting a lot of stickiness, I will add some amount of water to it so that it can get mixed, and the spices are to be cooked. The better the spices are cooked, the more the taste on the food. So I am adding some water in it and cooking it along. I will be cooking it for next 3 to 4 minutes till the time the spices are cooked well. As you can see that the masala is now properly cooked, we have some kasuri methi over here. We have to crush the kasuri methi and put it so that the maximum taste, smell comes out of the same. Kasuri methi adds a distinct flavor and smell to the dish. Once we have mixed the kasuri methi, now we will go ahead, add the paneer, which we have already fried in the past, and we will then also add the fox nuts or the makhana. Add a bit of water to it once so that the masala goes up. But before adding the water, I would like to add the kaju paste that we had made. The kaju paste is used to ensure that it is a thick gravy. It gives a very rich taste to the gravy. So as you can see, I have mixed it. Now I will be adding some water in it and allowing it to simmer and let the vegetable be made for the next 3 to 4 minutes. And then once it is ready, then we will be presenting the same. So it now just needs to be cooked as per a bit of boiling needs to be done. So that's all, friends, and once it is ready, then we will present it. Now you can see that the dish is ready. I have plated it. You can feel the aroma. It has a beautiful aroma. Now for garnishing, I will be using some cream and with a bit of a cream so that it looks better. And this is a very healthy food. And presenting to you makhana, capsicum and